How to change your Instagram account to personal account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your Instagram account to personal account. So by Instagram account, what I mean is, if your account is your professional account or creator account, so that's when you want to change it back to your personal account. So as you can see, when I click on this right bottom corner, I will be heading over to my profile section, and as you can see, there's an option called professional dashboard where I can check all of my stats over my profile, so which confirms this is my creators or professional account. So to change it back to personal account, simply click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you have to scroll down until you see this for professional section, where you will see the creator tools and control section. So simply click on that option and scroll down until you see this switch account type. Just click on it, and here you can see switch to personal account. Just click on it and click on this switch to personal account, and your personal account will be successfully logged in, and your Instagram account, from whether it is business account or professional account or creator account, will be successfully converted back to personal account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.